What is up, trappers? Check it out. We got a box of shirts and tickets sitting here on the mini truck. I have the PayPal reader. Guys, we are going to go out to Night Therapy. There's the notification. The Trap My Ride is live. We're going to go up and meet with Night Therapy tonight. We are going to be off 331. It's the old Bremen Highway at the Meyer. I do believe that is the correct address. Guys, I'm going to try and get the banner up and post it before I head out of the driveway. But make sure you come out and see us. We're going to take the Blazer. We're rolling in the Equinox tonight, guys. What is up, Andrew? I'm pretty sure that's you. Yeah, what's up, man? But we're going to have tickets and some of the shirts out. I'm going to bring one box of shirts and some of the tickets. We get you ringed up right on my phone. So if you're in for the mini truck giveaway, boom, we'll be out tonight, guys. But lots of good footage. It is the 3rd of July. Tomorrow is the holiday, so there'll probably be fireworks and all that good stuff going on this weekend, guys. Thanks for everybody coming out, watching us. Just got back from Detroit. Man, that's a haul. Guys, I'm telling you, we're going to try and bring the best content we can this weekend. Jonathan Sobek, what is up, man? Come with us. Hit me up and ride along. But guys, we're heading up there. Fireworks are hard to compete with, guys, so I'm going to try and bring the best content we can to help compete with the fireworks. But, you know, maybe we'll just join them. So maybe this is how it'll work. But guys, we're getting ready to get out of here. We're going to get on the road, and we will see you tonight up on 331 at Meyer. It's the old Bremen Highway, I guess, guys. Up there in, I think it's Mishawaka, Granger, South Bend, somewhere in that area. I'm not sure. But we're going to post a banner so everybody knows that's where we're going, guys. We'll see you in the next clip. Keep on trapping.